What you're looking at is a trade forecast on EURGBP, a 1 to 24 risk reward ratio, 5 pips stop loss and 120 pips target. So make sure you watch till the very end for you to get everything I'm going to share in this video. All right. So as you can see right here, we are on the 30 minutes time frame. We're able to see nicely that the market gave us a QML low, higher high, and a break of structure to the downside. And since then, we've seen the market breaking structures to the downside. All right. Apart from that, the market also left behind equal highs right here. So what we're anticipating is that the market is going to come and actually take out this liquidity right here, come into our area of value, then we can potentially look for selling opportunities as long as the market gives us entry signals, right? So it's really, really important. So let's see what is happening on the higher time frame. So what is the overall direction of the market? So from here, you can clearly see that the market has been pushing to the downside overall, right? So we've seen that the market has been pushing to the downside right here. Therefore, it's only right for us to look for selling opportunities, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what is happening. So it's really, really important for you to do your multiple time frame analysis. So from here, we've seen the market kind of putting up some counter trend right here, but we understand that the overall trend is to the upside. Therefore, we now have levels like this level here and also this level where the market is at right here. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame and see what is happening at that level where the market is right here. So this is a decision point right here. So two things are going to happen. Either the market is going to react from here and go to the downside, or it's going to take out this high and probably go to the other high which we've noted on the higher time frame right here. So if it takes out this high, the next level is that level right here. But as of now, this is what we're supposed to focus on. We are looking at this level right here as a potential area that can hold. You are hearing the way I'm speaking, it's potential. Therefore, there's nothing guaranteed, like you already know. So right here, we're going to wait for the market to actually react from there. And you remember what I always do? I'll just set an alert right here and I'll be notified once the market has actually come to that particular area. It's really, really important for me to do this because I'll avoid taking unnecessary losses. So let's see what was happening at that particular level right there. Let's try to find our order block. So from here you can't see anything, but what one thing you can see is that the market actually left behind really, really nice inefficiency candle. So whenever you have these kind of candles, it means that the market is going to come back most likely and actually balance this. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame and see what is happening there. So we set an hour late right there. So 5 minutes time frame, we can't see anything. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame and actually find our order block. So guys, it's really, really, really important for you to actually go all the way and find your order block. So from here, you can clearly see that the market left behind an order block, right? So what is an order block? In a bearish scenario, an order block is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. So that candle right there is the one that we're going to get as our order block. And right now is simply the game of waiting. It's just a waiting game. Right now, we just wait and see how the market actually responds to this level right there. Two things can happen. Either the market is just going to come and actually run off this area without actually giving us a reaction, or the market is going to give us a reaction and actually go in our direction. So remember, avoid put up an alert right here, and once the market has come to this area, we are going to be notified and we are going to make a decision whether to enter into that particular trade or not. So that is extremely, extremely important. Otherwise, overall, this is a beautiful, beautiful trade, a potential 1 to 24 risk reward ratio, absolutely amazing. And there's a high chance of the market coming back here because why? We have a lot of what? Inefficiency candle which was left behind right here. Therefore, this is what we are targeting as our official target right there. Because of this, the market might be pushed to this because this will act as a magnet and pulling price to this area right here. So we're looking forward to that. And like always, the focus have already been shared in our signals community, in our mentorship community right here. and more signals, more of these are going to be shared as the day goes on, right? So this is how it is. Otherwise, if you'd like to get involved and get chatting with us, the first thing in the description gives you access to our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. And if you'd like to chat with me, there's a link down in the description for my Telegram. Make sure you click that link and get chatting with me. All right, you guys.